Hey there beautiful friend, I am Lit, and in this video I want to share with you another simple technique to change your life. It's really simple. Do prostrations, those like when you get really down and like the priests do. Just search on YouTube if you don't know what the prostration is. And the thing is, one of the things that destroys our lives is vanity. And the thing is, this doing these prostrations will actually kill your vanity, and you will see that when you do these prostrations your ego will be really pissed, like he will not like this at all. I know the first time I used to do them, I started to do them, like my body would clench and I say, oh, why would I do this? No, I'm too good and I'm too smart and I'm too well to do this. But in time you will see that this kills actually your ego, this kills your vanity, and you will be able to know true love. Another way, the way I do it, I do them actually, is I imagine God in front of me and I do prostrations in front of Him. And in this way, I was able to get closer to Him and develop my relationship with God. Okay, that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day and I love you.